QOBO is a smart snail robot used for younger children to introduce ICT to them. It has a playful setting with programmable puzzle cards that are readable by the smart bot. Children are attracted to this colorful robot that can speak, sing and dance and change colors too. There are 30 double-sided program cards where each card represents an action. These program cards act as puzzle pieces that fit into one another and create a path from start to end. QOBO is a great resource to introduce early coding to children in a fun manner. The program cards are so creative that coding becomes as easy as playing puzzles. This bot can go forward, left and right with its motion cards, change colors, emulate train sound and police car siren with its light and sound cards, and fulfill various other conditions through its function cards. QOBO works on two modes. In game mode, the bot moves over the program cards. In free mode, QOBO scans the program cards and can then move on any surface.